What if I could show you exactly how to reach any sales goal that you have? What if I gave you a daily, step-by-step plan to achieve your goal? What if I gave you every lead generation tool with every presentation, marketing piece, checklist, and resource so that you know exactly what to do, how to do it, and never have to recreate anything in your real estate career? Well, congratulations. You found the only training program in real estate that does exactly this. A centralized platform, accessible 24 hours, 7 days a week for you to access to build your business starting day one. Over 300 instructional videos with more added every day.
My name is Rich Tomasini. Myself and 9 other of our alpha influencers have decided to form an alliance and create the one thing that you've been searching for in your productivity career, a 6-figure GCI plus. We are delivering for you guys the how. How do I do it fast before I have to change careers? How do I bump productivity immediately? So we have gamified this entire process on Rockstar Agent to where all you have to do is follow the daily instructions, add your points, and then we can see your points on our dashboard to know what you're doing and where the holes are, where the gaps are. We are going to train our respective organizations
along with every resource for you to download, customize, and use for your own business.
We created Rockstar Agent. What that is it's 10 of the best coaches in our entire company, across the entire company of 90,000 of us. The top 10 coaches are giving you the best that they have. But we're gonna teach you guys how to do this. My group, I teach them how to sell over 1,000 transactions a year, so I have a pretty good idea what I'm doing. So what I'm gonna do is give you the best that we've done to take our team to your 1,000 transactions a year, put it into simple terms for you, step-by-step process, so you can sell a house every week. If you can sell 1 house a week, would that change your trajectory of your business? Would that get you to the levels that you want to be? Would that put the money in your pocket you want? Here's what you got to do. You've got to join and get in this. You're going to be coached by the best of the best. Get in this competition. Have some fun with us.
Complete step-by-step systems to help you build your real estate business, regardless of your current production or experience level. A brand new agent, an experienced agent, an agent on a team, or just looking to find that breakthrough opportunity. Well, this is it. Daily tasks emailed to you for the level that's right for you, that tell you exactly what steps you should be taking to build your business. Personal coaching sessions, at least 2 times per month.
Hey Rockstars, it's Elizabeth Ryan. I don't know about you, but I am all about a friendly competition, and that's exactly what this is. It's a competition to production, 100,000 GCI and beyond. So I want you to be a part of it. It's the how, it's the tools, the resources, the road. Not only that, not only are you receiving everything you need to have a step-by-step process for production, but it's also being in the right room. You're going to be in the rooms with some of the top coaches in the nation. 10 of the top coaches are going to be coaching. You do not want to miss it. You want to be in the right rooms. Who you're surrounded by matters, and we want you there.
Live role play and topic calls 4 times per week, led by the best coaches and experts in real estate. Live monthly masterminds on relevant topics to help you build your business. A daily tracking system to ensure you stay on target to hit your personal goals. Doing the things that it takes to get to that point. Focus on the activities you're going to meet or exceed your goals, if you do it consistently. We help you build a customized plan specific for your personal goals and a roadmap of exactly how you will achieve it. Access to a private forum exclusive to agents in Rockstar Agent Coaching, which has a library of previously recorded coaching calls, as well as other valuable tools and resources. And the opportunity to network and collaborate with agents from different parts of the country.